Hello dear students, hope all of you are fine. Let's start learning the second chapter of English grammar today. The topic is subject and predicate. At the end of this chapter, you will be able to define subject and predicate in a sentence. You will also be able to pick out subject and predicate in a given sentence. As we have already learned in the previous video about what a sentence is. So now let's learn about the parts of a sentence. Children, since we know that sentence means a group of words which conveys a clear meaning to us. Now second, you should know that all sentences have two parts, subject and predicate. Children, you might have observed that a sentence always talks about something which could be a person, place, animal, or thing. In other words, we can say that a sentence tells us something about a noun. Children, it's very easy to understand the meaning of subject and predicate. Just pay little attention to get it fast. What is a subject? The part of a sentence that talks about a noun or pronoun is the subject of the sentence. It can be more than one or two words. What is a predicate? The other part of the sentence that tells us about the subject is the predicate of the sentence. Now let's see few examples. First, the children are playing in the park. In this sentence, which thing we are talking about? We are talking about the children. So in this sentence, subject is the children. Predicate. Are playing in the park is predicate in the sentence. Why? Because these words are telling us something about the subject. That is why these words are predicate. Second, Ravi and Anu go to the same school. Here in this sentence, which thing we are talking about? We are talking about Ravi and Anu. So the subject is Ravi and Anu. Go to the same school is predicate in the sentence because these words are telling us something about the subject, that is Ravi and Anu. So go to the same school is predicate. Let's find the subject and predicate in the given sentences. Before I start, I just want to say that whenever you see a sentence, just ask two questions. What and who? The answer of the questions what and who will tell you about the subject. Now let's start with first. Rahul is a cricketer. Ask a question. Who is a cricketer? What is the answer of who here? Rahul. So Rahul is subject and rest of the word is a cricketer is predicate. Second, my friends and I went to see a movie. Now ask a question. Who went to see a movie? My friends and I is the answer. So it is the subject in the sentence. My friends and I is subject and predicate is went to see a movie. Next, there goes the teacher. Who goes? The teacher. So here the subject is the teacher. Predicate is there goes. Next, on the way I met an old beggar. Make a question. Who met an old beggar? I. Answer is I. So I is subject here and the rest of the words on the way met an old beggar is predicate in the sentence. So again I say that whenever you are answering two questions, what and who, the answer of this question, what and who, will tell you what the subject is. Here is a small exercise for you. Now take out your paper and a pencil. Pick out the subject and predicate from the following sentences. First, the blue dolphin swam freely in the ocean. Second, the basketball team went traveling for their next tournament. Number 3. A swarm of bees was buzzing around the hive. Number 4 is we are learning subject and predicate. Children, do these 4 sentences in a rough notebook. I will be sending you more examples for practice related to this topic. There is one advice, please go through this video at least 2 to 3 times to understand this concept in a better way. Till then, good day.